Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting and rapidly evolving topic: making money with AI-generated art. As technology continues to advance, AI has emerged as a powerful tool for artists and creators, opening up new avenues for artistic expression and financial gain. The market for AI-generated art is booming, with collectors and enthusiasts eager to explore this innovative medium. From digital paintings to unique sculptures, the possibilities are endless, and the demand is growing. In this video, we'll explore how you can tap into this lucrative market and turn your creative ideas into profit. Understanding monetization strategies is crucial in the art world, especially when it comes to AI-generated pieces. Whether you're an established artist or just starting out, knowing how to effectively market and sell your work can make all the difference. We'll discuss various platforms, pricing strategies, and the importance of building a brand around your art. So, if you're curious about how to leverage AI technology to boost your income and make a name for yourself in the art community, stick around. Let's unlock the potential of AI-generated art together. Understanding AI-generated art. AI-generated art refers to artwork created with the assistance of artificial intelligence algorithms. At its core, this innovative form of art relies on machine learning and neural networks, which analyze vast datasets of existing artworks to generate new, unique pieces. By understanding patterns, styles, and techniques from various artists, AI can produce images that range from abstract designs to realistic portraits, all while pushing the boundaries of traditional creativity. There are several tools and platforms available for artists looking to explore AI art. Popular options include DeepArt, Artbreeder, and DALL-E, each offering unique features that allow users to manipulate and customize their creations. These platforms often provide user-friendly interfaces, making it accessible for both seasoned artists and beginners alike. The creative possibilities with AI-generated art are virtually limitless. Artists can experiment with different styles, combine elements from various genres, and even collaborate with AI to produce works that reflect their vision in unexpected ways. This uniqueness not only sets AI art apart but also invites viewers to engage with the evolving relationship between technology and creativity. As we continue to explore this fascinating intersection, the potential for innovation in the art world is truly exciting. Marketplaces for selling AI art. When it comes to selling AI-generated art, several online marketplaces can help you reach a wider audience. Popular platforms include Etsy, Redbubble, and ArtStation, each offering unique advantages and challenges for artists. Etsy is known for its handmade and unique items, making it a great choice for selling AI art. The platform allows for customization and personal branding, but competition can be fierce, and fees may add up. Redbubble, on the other hand, is ideal for artists looking to sell prints and merchandise featuring their designs. It handles production and shipping, but artists receive a smaller percentage of the sale price. ArtStation is tailored specifically for artists and designers, providing a professional portfolio space. While it attracts a creative audience, it may require more effort to drive traffic to your listings. To effectively showcase your AI art on these platforms, high-quality images are essential. Use clear, vibrant visuals that highlight the details of your work. Write engaging descriptions that tell the story behind each piece, and consider using tags and keywords to improve searchability. Engaging with your audience through social media can also help drive traffic to your listings, increasing your chances of making sales. Creating a portfolio. Building a compelling portfolio of AI art is crucial for attracting potential buyers and showcasing your unique style. A well-curated portfolio not only highlights your best work but also demonstrates your versatility as an artist. Buyers are often looking for a range of styles and themes, so including a diverse selection of artworks can help you stand out in a competitive market. Consider incorporating various types of AI-generated art, such as abstract pieces, realistic portraits, and experimental designs. This variety will showcase your ability to work with different techniques and concepts, appealing to a broader audience. Additionally, including collaborative works or pieces that blend traditional art with AI can further emphasize your creative range. Presentation techniques play a vital role in enhancing the visual appeal of your portfolio. Use high-quality images that accurately represent your work, ensuring they are well lit and free from distractions. Organize your portfolio in a cohesive manner, grouping similar styles or themes together. Adding brief descriptions or stories behind each piece can engage viewers and provide context. Lastly, consider creating an online portfolio or website to reach a wider audience, making it easy for potential buyers to explore and connect with your art. Marketing your AI art. Promoting your AI-generated art effectively is essential for gaining visibility and attracting potential buyers. One of the most powerful tools at your disposal is social media. Platforms like Instagram and Pinterest are particularly effective for artists, as they emphasize visual content. On Instagram, you can share high-quality images of your artwork, behind-the-scenes processes, and even short videos showcasing your creative journey. Use relevant hashtags to increase discoverability and engage with your audience through comments and stories. Pinterest is another excellent platform for artists, as users often seek inspiration and ideas. Create visually appealing pins that link back to your portfolio or online shop, allowing users to explore your work further. Collaborating with influencers or other artists can also broaden your reach. Partnering with someone who has a larger following can introduce your art to new audiences. Consider hosting joint giveaways or collaborative projects that highlight both your styles. Lastly, engaging with the online art community is crucial. Participate in discussions, join art groups, and attend virtual events to connect with fellow artists and potential buyers. Building relationships within the community can lead to valuable opportunities and support, ultimately enhancing your marketing efforts and growing your audience. Legal considerations. When it comes to selling AI-generated art, understanding the legal aspects is crucial to protect your work and ensure compliance with copyright laws. One of the primary concerns is copyright issues related to AI-generated artworks. Since AI algorithms often learn from existing artworks, questions arise about who holds the copyright for the generated pieces. In many jurisdictions, the creator of the AI program may retain rights, while the artist using the AI might have limited claims. It's essential to familiarize yourself with the laws in your country regarding copyright ownership and fair use. Additionally, understanding licensing agreements is vital when selling your art. If you're using AI tools or platforms, be sure to read their terms of service carefully. Some platforms may require you to grant them certain rights to your work, which could affect your ability to sell it elsewhere. For those seeking legal advice specific to digital art, there are numerous resources available. Websites like the Copyright Office provide valuable information on copyright laws, while organizations such as the Artists' Legal Advice Network offer guidance tailored to artists. Consulting with a legal professional who specializes in intellectual property can also help clarify any uncertainties and ensure you're on solid legal ground as you navigate the art market. Diversifying income streams. Monetizing AI-generated art goes beyond just direct sales of original pieces. There are numerous ways to diversify your income streams and maximize your earnings. One popular option is to create prints and merchandise featuring your artwork. Platforms like Redbubble and Society6 allow you to sell items such as t-shirts, mugs, and wall art, enabling you to reach a broader audience while providing fans with affordable options to enjoy your art. Another avenue to explore is commissions and custom art requests. Many clients are interested in personalized pieces that reflect their unique vision. By offering custom AI-generated art, you can cater to specific needs and build lasting relationships with your clients, which can lead to repeat business. Additionally, consider the potential for passive income through licensing agreements. By licensing your artwork for use in various media, such as advertising, book covers, or merchandise, you can earn royalties without having to sell the artwork outright. This approach allows your art to reach new audiences while providing you with ongoing revenue. By exploring these diverse monetization strategies, you can create a sustainable income model that leverages your creativity and the unique capabilities of AI-generated art. In this video, we've explored the exciting world of AI-generated art and its potential as a profitable venture. From understanding the technology behind AI art to navigating the various marketplaces for selling your creations, it's clear that this innovative medium offers numerous opportunities for artists. We discussed the importance of building a compelling portfolio, effective marketing strategies, and the legal considerations you need to keep in mind as you embark on your artistic journey. We also highlighted the various ways to diversify your income streams, including selling prints, merchandise, and offering custom commissions. By leveraging these strategies, you can maximize your earnings and create a sustainable income model that showcases your creativity. Now is the perfect time to explore your artistic potential and start selling your AI-generated art. Don't hesitate to experiment and find your unique style in this dynamic field. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with fellow artists and art enthusiasts. Your support helps us create more valuable content to inspire and guide you on your creative journey. Thank you for watching, and we can't wait. I hope you found a ton of value in this video. If you're ready to dive deeper and discover how to make money without even making videos, then check out the related video below. It's like a free course, just for you. Can't wait to see you there.